Okay, look at 16th question. Akash scored 73 marks in subject A. He scored 56 marks in subject B and X marks in subject C. The maximum marks in each subject were 150. The overall percentage of marks obtained by Akash in all three subjects together was 54%. How many marks did he score in subject C? Four choices are given. At first, try yourself. Look at the solution. Here, Akash has three subjects A, B, and C. The maximum mark in each subject is 150. The subject he scored 73 mark. In subject B, he scored 56% of 150, that's equal to 84. Let the subject see his mark is X. The overall percentage of mark is 54%. There are three subjects. The total maximum mark is 150 into 3, that's equal to 450. Therefore, Akash has total marks of 54% of 450. That's equal to 450 into 54 divided by 100. That's equal to 243. Therefore, we can write 73 plus 84 plus X is equal to 243. X is equal to 86. Therefore, the mark score in subject C is 86. Look at 17th question. Samir spent 25% of his monthly income on food and 50% on the education of his children. Of the remaining income, he spent 25% on entertainment and 20% on conveyance. If he is left with rupees 3,300 as savings, what is his monthly salary? Four choices are given. At first, try yourself. Look at the solution. We will assume that Samir's total monthly income is 100. He spent 25% of his monthly income for food and 50% on education. Therefore, the remaining is 25 plus 15 is equal to 40. The remaining is 60. In this 60% income, he spent 25% on entertainment and 20% on conveyance. Their total is 45. Therefore, and the remaining is 55%. Therefore, 55% of 60 is equal to 33%. Given that he left 3,300, therefore total income 33% equal to 3,300. Therefore, 100% the total income is equal to 3300 divided by 33 into 100. That's equal to 10,000. Okay, look at 18th question. 62.5% of the first number is equal to 40% of the second number. Also, 30% of the second number is equal to 45% of the third number. What is the ratio of the first, second, and third numbers are respectively? Four choices are given. At first, try yourself. Okay, look at the answer. Here we assume that three numbers are A, B, C. Given that 62.5% of the first number equal to 40% of the second number. Therefore, 62.5% is equal to 5 by 8. 5 by 8 of A is equal to 40% is equal to 2 by 5, 2 by 5 B. Therefore, A by B equal to 2 by 5 into 8 by 5, that's equal to 16 by 25. Therefore, A is to B equal to 16 is to 25. In second, 30% of the second number equal to 45% of the third number. Therefore, 30% is equal to 3 by 10 of B equal to 40% is equal to 9 by 20, 9 by 20 of C. Therefore, B by C equal to 9 by 20 into 10 by 3, that's equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, B is to C equal to, B is to C is equal to 3 is to 2. We are using a simple shortcut here. A is to B is equal to sum P is to Q, B is to C equal to sum R is to S, A is to B is to C is equal to RP is to RQ is to QS. Using this shortcut here we get A is to B equal to 16 is to 25, B is to C equal to 3 is to 2. Therefore, A is to B is to C equal to, A is to B is to C is equal to 3 into 16, 48 is to 3 into 25, 75 is to 25 into 2 is equal to 50. Therefore, the correct choice is 48 is to 75 is to 50.